Sam, I'm back in Beverly Hills. Where are these guns?
Me and Ronnie are headed to 12 Ark Hill Ridge. Meet you there.
So Phil has the gate control room key, and he's somewhere in the waterworks. Locked. Need to find a key, because of course I do. Need a breaker to get in. Maybe Phil's infiltration. Filtration. Everywhere. What the hell? Ooh. Hey, I need your key, Phil. That cool? I'm on my way.
Hey, over here.
Fellas?
Ronnie says this place is packed with guns. Get to busting this gate open.
Oh, shit. Maybe this wasn't such a good idea.
Stand the fuck back. It's hammer time. Open sesame.
Oh, shit sticks.
I got this. Get the guns.
He's got it.
So, who lived here?
Nicky Gut, big game hunter on cable. I sauced her a snow leopard.
Of course you did.
Fake snow, too. Locked. Oh, shit! Well, there she is. Not looking so hot today, Nicky. Hey, bitch. Still think you're too good for
That asshole was with me!
Booyah!
Ronnie's dead.
Shit. It's not your fault, all right? People who ain't like us don't last out here. I told him, but he wanted to be the big fixer. I got bit to fuck just keeping him alive this long. Grab a gun and let's get back to Emma's.
Okay. Oh, yeah. We'll see how those dead fucks like me now.
Shit! Every zombie in the neighborhood must have heard those screams. Find a window upstairs and shoot any motherfuckers coming into the backyard. I'll come the driveway side from the front door.
Let's see what some firepower can do. Squeeze the trigger, don't jerk it. Blown away. It's high noon, you fucks. Gotta reload.
Go!
Stay. Oh, there is a new sheriff in town.
Come on, we're done. Hey, having fun?
Oh, yeah.
I'm nearly done. I'll see you back at the house.
Hey, Sam, there's this guy, Dr. Reed in Santa Monica. He says they need my blood to make a vaccine.
That's so.
If we arm everyone, I bet we could make it.
One thing I've learned. The voice on the radio promising to fix all your shit never happens. We're doing just fine.
But if she came with me, you'd come too, right?
She won't.
You might be surprised. See you back there.
Yes.
wanted to see. Oh, shit.
Damn, man. How long you been bit for?
Nothing.
Oh, Michael.
Shit, we got to deal with this right now.
Don't touch him. Go check on Andrea, see if she's okay.
Dad, this ain't no game, Emma. You know what's gonna happen to him. The same thing that happens to all of them. Now let me...
This is my house. It is my rules, Sam. Go.
If he so much as twitches funny, you know what you've got to do.
Okay.
Michael, what happened?
I'm fine.
You're not fine. I'll get you help, okay?
Emma, step away.
Don't even think about it. I took you in. You owe me this. Put the gun away.
He is turning. Get out of the way.
Hey. The 2019 Best Supporting Actress Romero goes to...
Oh, my lucky charm. This is why you left.
Emma.
I think I've got the special blood. I'm zombie-proof. I just feel it.
Yes. Yes, you have the special blood. You're going to get through this. Michael. Michael. Michael, please wake up. Please.
Get away from him now.
Fuck you! Why do you get to be the special one, huh? Who the fuck are you?
Emma. Sorry.
Get out of my house.
What happened?
Michael turned. I had no choice, but Emma's thrown me out.
Hey, Emma can't do this. Don't go.
I'm wasting time. Sam will protect you.
Sam? You think there's room for me and my family in his apocalypse fantasy? Once he gets inside Emma's panties, we're all fucked.
Hey, there you are. Shit been way too loose around here. Martin almost bit Emma.
Michael!
Right. Now on, no one goes outside except me.
I'm leaving. Step aside.
I keep saying, don't trust those fucks. You're better off here.
Yes, stay.
My immunity's my ticket out of here. I gotta get back home.
Okay, learn the hard way. I got one last tip for you.
Oh, yeah?
When I had to get around Banoi, I used the sewers. I ain't saying they're safe, but you can line them up.
Got it.
You'll be back. Hey, Emma's pretty shook up. How about you fix her some of that motherfucking Yorkshire pudding shit she likes?
This is the end.
Trust me, it's worse out there. Okay, let's try these sewers. joke, Sam. At least you can line them up. Fuck this. Come on. Hello? Hey, buddy, you okay? Oh, Jesus! Ah! Hey!
Quick, get inside!
Nice! I was not expecting that.
I had a few tricks up my sleeve. Oh, I'm Patton.
Ryan, I owe you, Patton.
Hey, no need. Just glad I got to you on time.
The hell were those things?
Beats me. Bursters, I call them. Like walking bombs. Welcome to Shangri-La. Oh, it's okay. You can leave your shoes on.
Whoa.
Oh, shit, sorry. It's a mass maid's day off.
Nah, this is great. How long you been down here?
Oh, how long? Yeah, long time. Oh, after the war, people didn't like my face.
Hey, I'm just glad you're not trying to eat mine. Where'd you serve?
Gulf War? I flew helicopters. My bird got shot down. Could have been a lot worse.
You're, really into movies, huh?
No, why?
Yeah.
I gotcha. Yeah, man, no shit, huh? I like the movies. You know, I get a little bit, obsessed maybe sometimes. Oh, you like horror movies?
Sure.
Yeah, man, that's what I'm talking about. Oh, why don't we watch Omen to Kill, man? Omen to Kill, only one of the greatest movies ever made. I've only seen it like, 20 times, man.
I just came from Emma Jones' place.
No fucking way. Emma John, she's still here? What's she like? I hear she's really great. Well,
Yeah. Really great. Hey, they could sure use a guy with home defense skills. Head over. You'll be safer there.
what? No. Why would I do that? I mean, this is my home.
You can't stay here, Patton. The living need to stick together.
Look, I really want to watch Omen to Kill, man. Huh? It's a really great movie. Come on, sit yourself down. I'm gonna find the DVD. It was here somewhere. I was only watching it the other day. Where is Omen? To kill. Yeah. Found it. Come on. Can you please watch it with me?
I can't. I have to go. I'm needed for a vaccine. Hey, can I get to Santa Monica through these tunnels?
Maybe. I mean, it's a long way.
I got no choice.
You know, I could, yeah, maybe I could, just, if I could, just, I'm sorry, I really need to watch Omen to Kill.
It's okay. Grab some popcorn. I'll be fine.
You want to follow the signs for the Venice storm tank?
Got it. Thanks. Take care of yourself, Patton. There's the storm tank. Dr. Reed, it's Ryan.
Yeah, go ahead.
Change of plan. I'm coming alone. Through the sewers.
The sewers?
Yeah, well, hopefully wading through shit is the worst I'll have to deal with.
I hope you're right. When you reach Santa Monica, head for the Sterling Hotel on Ocean Avenue. I'll be waiting.
Sterling Hotel? I got it. Uh-oh. One of those explodey things. The cap's clean off. Yo, what the hell is this shit? Yeah, just flush it down the sewers, guys. Yeah, great plan. More of these caustic pukers. They evolved down here. declare this gateway to hell open. What was that?
Oh, God, is this shit alive? Oh.
Oh, shit.
Oh, fuck. Yeah, they're everywhere. These exploding fucks are everywhere! Oh, the fuckers are endless.
Gotta move.
Can't fight them all.
Gotta move. Oh, Jesus. I made it. Just about.
Hello? Hello? This is Dr. Reed. Are you receiving? This is Dr. Reed.
Reed, it's Ryan. You won't believe it. All the melted flesh they're flushing down here, it's like it's alive. Growing into some huge fucking, I don't know what.
The missing biomass. That's why you didn't add up.
What?
Doesn't matter now. You need to get out of there.
I know. I'll be in touch when I'm back above ground. Oh, come on. Well, creaky walkway over pit of horror. Check. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's all fine. Oh, fuck! Not fine. It's not fine at all. Oh, what am I doing? Oh! Drop. No drop.
Here you are. I've been looking for you.
Okay. Hi. Do I know you?
Know me more than you realize.
Look, I'm just gonna get off this.
Do you feel that? Pulsing in your marrow. Like a promise.
Hi. Look, I don't want any trouble, okay? I am just trying to get to Santa Monica. There's a doctor there, and, well, listen, I'm immune. So all I gotta do is get to him, and then you can...
You've got your eyes wide shut. Clinging to the edge of the pool. Too afraid of drowning. I'm gonna have to help you let go.
What? Hey, no, wait, don't do that! Hey!
Keep moving. Don't think about it.